Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss about anaphase lag. What is anaphase lag? Anaphase lag is delayed movement of a chromosome or chromatid during anaphase of mitosis or meiosis, resulting in loss of genetic material from inclusions into either daughter nucleus. So you see one of the chromosome is failed to move and it remain in original position and destroy. It is the one of the many causes of aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is the presence of an abnormal number of chromosome in a cell. For example, in human cell having 45 or 47 chromosome instead of usual 46. So this is the Turner syndrome. This is the monosomy conditions, and you see here the instead of two X chromosome, single X chromosome is present, another X chromosome is lost. So this is one of the condition of aneuploidy. Due to anaphase lag, one cell receive the complete set of chromosome. In somatic cell, one cell receive 46 chromosome, but another cell due to anaphase lag contain 45 chromosome. In germ cell, one cell receive 43 chromosome, another cell receive 22 chromosome. Mechanism: improper attachment of microtubule of mitotic spindle to the centromere. This is mitotic spindle, this is microtubule, this is centromere. So this mitotic spindle, this microtubule is attached with the centromere. But in this chromosome, what happened? The microtubule of both mitotic spindle are attached, and both of them is try to pull this chromosome. So this chromosome is failed to move and it's remain in original position. In this picture showing the normal mitotic cell divisions, you see here one chromosome is failed to move. Why? Because this chromosome is attached by microtubule of both mitotic spindle. Improper spindle function. The inactivation of centrosomal protein causes abnormal organization of mitotic spindle and faulty distributions of chromosome. Here you see the chromosome are distributed in the evenly, but here chromosome are disorganized. Third, mitotic spindle formation. Usually cell contain two mitotic spindle, but you see here the third mitotic spindle is formed. This is one of the cause of anaphase lag. Anaphase lag and mitosis. In mitosis, what happened? Double strand chromosome are split. So here what happened? One of the chromatid is attached by the microtubule of both mitotic spindle. So what happened? This chromosome is remain its original position because the both mitotic spindle, both microtubule of mitotic spindle is try to pull it, so it cannot move. Anaphase lag and meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, what happened? Homologous chromosomes are separated. These are two homologous chromosome. So what happened? One of the homologous chromosome is attached by the microtubule of both mitotic spindle. So this chromosome is unable to move. It's remain its original position. So one cell receive 23 double strand chromosome, another cell receive 22 double strand chromosome. Anaphase like and meiosis II. Meiosis II like mitosis. Here the double strand chromosome is just plate. So here one of the chromatid is attached by the microtubule of both mitotic spindle, and they try to pull toward the individual mitotic spindle. So this chromosome is failed to move. So one cell receive 23 single strand chromosome, another cell receive 22 single strand chromosome. The clinical anatomy. The anaphase leg is one of the hallmark of cancer formation and persistence genetic instability. So you here see the normal and cancer cell difference. The cancer cell is large and variable shape nuclei present. Size of the nuclei is vary, and cell division is increased, and organized disorganization observed, and shape is vary, and loss of normal feature. So genetic instability is followed by the cancerous growth. It causes neovascularization, dysfunctional immune system, and loss of cell cycle checkpoint genes. Anaphase like increased frequency of chromosomal rearrangement, mutation, mosaicism, and aneuploidy. This is the mosaicism. See, the few cell contain some cell contain 46 chromosome normal cell, and some cells are lack one chromosome 45. This is known as the mosaicism. So this is all about anaphase life. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.